I wasn't planning on recording today, but my father just showed up with another Donzi ZRC, and I know you guys are really gonna appreciate it. But since I'm already here, let me give you a quick little update. There's the first checkmate that I'm getting ready to sell. If you guys want it, let me know. I'm painting it, doing all the fiberglass work. And there's the new baby, looking good, but that's not the point of this video. Let me show you these Donzis. I really wonder what my neighbors think of us. Whew. So here's Lindsay's 38 Donzi ZRC. We just got back from Performance Boat Center. It's been gone for about a year now. And this is going to be the first time that I see it up close once again. This boat, I believe, has 1300s with the Arneson Drives. So if we don't own the fastest Donzi ZRC in the world, we have a friend that owns the fastest Donzi ZRC in the world. We haven't raced yet. That is coming soon, guys. But look at this view. Look at that butt. Oh, man. This is my father's 38 Donzi ZRC. You guys have seen plenty of videos on this thing on my YouTube channel. We're supposed to go for a little rip tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. I'm going to try to do an unedited, uncut video showing you guys the complete boat. So let's get up here. Take these shoes off. Like this a lot. Wish my dad's had it. This is something I'm trying to convince my dad to put on his. This is super nice, super convenient. What a view. One of my favorite things about this boat is the Alcantara seats and just the overall look of the boat. Does Lindsay's have an automatic hatch? I forgot. No, he doesn't have an automatic hatch? You coming up here? Come on. Uncut. Yep, uncut video. Let's go. Come on. Senior boat vibes. Whenever you see my father around town, he loves to be called Senior Boat Vibes. Why not? Senior Boat Vibes. You old school guys, bro. You old school guys. I don't know what's up with you. All right, come on. Dying to see it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Wow. So what is it that Performance did?
See those high pressure relief valve? The second one right there?
Uh-huh.
The hardened one?
Okay.
That's a secondary pressure relief valve specifically for the blocks, not for the sea strainers.
Okay. He also told me that he put the freshwater, the flush system, so we don't have to open up the sea strainers anymore and flush the engines that way. Where are they? On your boat, they're right here.
Yeah, well, that's why I put them.
Where did they put it for him?
That's a good question. Let me jump in here.
Huh. Could it be those hoses coming up? Could it be this right here? From the strainers? What is this hose with this?
And that's for the oil.
Oh. Oh. Super cool.
Right here.
Where?
Actually pretty cool.
Where did they put it?
Right here.
Okay. So they're like quick release?
Quick release, yeah. One on that one and then one on that one.
That's cool.
Actually, Jose over there at Performance does a great job. It's the reason why they have such a wait list of people.
Yeah. But comment down, guys. Which one's your favorite? The gray one or the black one? I personally like the gray one, in my opinion. Especially with this fade that it has. It goes from black, kind of a gray, a little bit of orange. Let me jump on my dad's dirty boat that I was supposed to clean. I was supposed to clean this boat and I didn't. I was too lazy. I'll probably do it after the video. Just being honest. But look at that. What a beauty. So this boat is gonna be here probably till March. So let me know what you guys want to see more of. If you guys have any questions, comment down, because Lindsay watches all my videos and he will be replying to you guys. If you guys have any questions on his boat, Key West Poker Run is November 10th. We're getting my dad's Donzi ZRC ready for that. I'm excited. If you guys been following the channel for a while, you know it's the best time of the year. If you guys want to go to Key West, I highly recommend it. November 10th to the 14th. Championship races, poker run, block parties, girls, amazing time, trust me. So hope you guys enjoyed this uncut video and stay tuned for the next one. Peace. So this guy from New York did a really good job rigging this boat, huh?
From New York.
Yeah, the boat was rigged in New York. Craig told me it was rigged in New York, upstate New York. I forgot the guy's name, but the guy has very good taste in his rigging.
There's so many sensors for everything. See, this sensor right here would have given, if I would have that sensor, which Mercury doesn't make that sensor, the option for this sensor. I would have this sensor, I would know how much pressure is in here.
And what sensor is that?
It tells you the pressure. It's a pressure sensor.
But for what? For water pressure and the exhaust?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, too much water pressure in the exhaust is bad.
Okay. But these engines have 1300 horsepower?
1360.
1360s. Beautiful.
Those special relief valves there, the way they did them look so fucking perfect. Look badass, actually. I mean, the bad thing is you gotta actually jump in the boat to use it.
I know, I kind of wish they would have put them here like yours. But I'm sure that's not something they can change.
Yeah, but it's too much. There's too much.
But I mean, it does look a lot cleaner here. Like the fact that this is like you can sit there. You can't sit in this boat. You can't sit in there like on your boat.
No, because my forward motor's further up because I have a bigger transmission.
Oh, these engines don't have transmissions, or they do?
Yeah, they do. They're just smaller.
Oh.
They're just smaller, and not horsepower wise. They're just smaller in diameter. And I have a lot more going on forward of the motor.
I actually want to see the difference in the engine compartment side by side.
Probably take off the cord.
Here's our fresh water. Our fresh water pickups here. This is how we flush the engines right here. I really wonder what my neighbors think about us.